Lately I've been picking up trash because I see the streets in Long Beach getting trashed, and I see trash all over the place, and everybody thinks it's the homeless are the only ones doing it, but people dump their trash all over the place. Like people that live in houses too. It's not just homeless people. Other people loiter or litter or whatever the fuck, and they throw their trash out their cars and stuff just on the ground and stuff. So, I mean, it's not just the homeless people, but at the same time, being homeless, I don't like that stereotype, and I don't like being stereotyped as a homeless person that's messing up and are out there just messing up and stuff, and doing drugs and fucking partying and trashing places and trashing people's homes and neighborhoods and stuff. So what I've been doing is I've been going everywhere I go. I pick up trash and I throw it away, clean up streets and stuff. You know what I mean? Like try to take care of the neighborhoods that let me park there. That way it doesn't blow up the spot or it doesn't make a bad name for homeless people. You know what I mean? So I had posted on Facebook. I'm not the only one that could be doing this. Anybody could be doing this. Like all you have to do is go out there and pick up some trash. Like, it's not that hard. Everybody's at home anyway, so don't get on Facebook complaining about trash neighborhoods. Clean your neighborhood up. It's that easy. You know what I mean? And when I had posted that, someone on there, well, everybody on there was very appreciative. And one of the people that was on there, older white gentleman, he really appreciated what I did, and all he did is he said, we appreciate homeless people like you that are not trashing places and actually are doing positive stuff. And he has stopped by and he gave me $100. And he said, keep doing what you're doing. And that's awesome. So I got $100 for doing the right thing. I got $100 for doing me, making sure the neighborhood looks nice, because I didn't want neighborhoods I hang out in to look trashy. So taking care of the neighborhood that I hang out in, or neighborhoods I hang out in, I got $100. Okay, I'm not saying that's gonna happen to everybody, but I mean, I got $100 for doing the right thing. Maybe that'll encourage other people that are in my position to also clean up, or to also look out for the neighborhood they're in. People, you might not think people appreciate shit like that, but people see what you're doing and they appreciate you. You gotta really take care of your business, and people will take care of you. Positivity gets positivity. You do positive things, people don't, that shit don't go unnoticed. Good things don't go unnoticed. Sometimes it does, but not always. So I mean, just in your life, do as much positive as you can, and sometimes it'll come back to you, sometimes it won't. That's my advice. I just want to share my story that way, maybe it'll inspire other people to do the same. All right. To the guy that brought me the money, I appreciate you. Thank you. It's gonna help me. I'm gonna keep doing what I do. Y'all have a good day. Be blessed. I know I got blessed today.